Mag-report ka. Kung kailan dumami pulis, din dumami yung snitch eh. Mas maganda pa yung dating pulis eh. Nung walang active eh, doon din tahimik eh. Kahit sa isiram pa, walang snitch eh. Hindi mag-report ka. Fuck PD. Fucking snitch. Fucking snitch. Remember the old PD. No more online. More. Am I right? Sir Dimitri and me always dead in GH4 because out of number. Now we are many now, but many snitch now. Oh my God. Nice.
So what are you trying to imply, Prince? That I'm the one who snitched? The information? That's why you're tasering me right now? You're telling me and you're tasing me, right?
Normal yun. Normal
You keep
sa
on
amin
tasering
yun eh.
me.
Normal nga yun eh.
It's not normal, Prince. It is on the rules that you know you don't need to taser or shoot anyone without any valid reason. You're a police officer. You know the rules, right?
Alam ko ang rules.
Yeah, you know the rules, but you're not implying it.
Mag-report. Wala rin kwenta ng puta. Puno na ng snitch ang mundo to. Maganda nung dati talaga puta. King, let's go. I don't care if I get reprimand. Because I need to leave now.
You don't need to blame us, Prince. It's not our fault.
Ayoko kasi magsalita. Ayoko nang may kaaway.
But you're making one. I'm here to apologize, but you keep on tasering me.
Apologize wala na. Tapos na eh. Dami na sinend sa akin na video eh.
Don't blame me. I'm not the one who's sending the video. Don't blame me and stop tasering me.
Hey, Prince, stop.
That is very unprofessional.
You're blaming me for snitching? I'm not the one who's snitching.